What's up YouTube, it's your boy Balo Trader here. I'm glad to have you all here on my new educational video. And today we're going to talk with you about indicators in tech analysis, and of course we'll make 3 deals as always. We are going to start with Canadian dollar to Swiss franc. We have here a bullish trend, but the price just made its reversal from the resistance line and starts to fall. So we are going to invest in the continuation of this fall. Let's go to the broker and invest $100 with 3-minute expiration time in price drop. Back to the trading view for a more detailed analysis. In the beginning we had a bearish trend that was not intense with not a lot of volumes from sellers. Afterward, we had a bigger amount of volume set on the market by sellers, so they broke the support line and made the drop. But right after the drop, reversal starts with the help of buyers' volumes this time and the trend change begins. And we are working in this trend. We invested in a correctional price decrease after the reversal. Let's switch back to the broker. As I already said, today in the video I will tell you about technical analysis indicators. And I will start with my own opinion on this one. As many of you may have noticed, I don't often use any indicators other than the volume indicator. I believe that most of them do not work with short-term deals and will work with just such. I occasionally turn on the moving average or Bollinger Bands, and so I rely only on the lines and levels of resistance and support and on the volume indicator, and it is about them that I will tell you today. But before we proceed further, I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you are not. I am regularly sharing lots of useful trading tips and knowledge, so you better not miss it. And by the way, in addition to educational/trading videos on YouTube, I also write educational articles in my open Telegram channel. In this channel you can find not only articles but also useful literature, educational posts and videos. In addition to all of these, I run trading sessions with participants of my open Telegram channel. So you can find the link to join in the description under the video or in the pinned comment. And we will start with the analysis of a group of indicators, trend indicators. By itself, the trend means the direction of price movement in one direction or another, up or down. The main indicator is the moving average. As you might guess from the name, a moving average is a derivative of average prices over a certain period. Moreover, the longer the period, the smoother it will be. Accordingly, if they take a shorter period, it will be more flexible and more responsive to market changes. We will make a pause here because our deal is about to close and we are picking up our first plus for the day. And the next stop is Australian dollar to Swiss franc. We have here a local bullish trend. We will invest in its continuation from the support line. Back to broker, we will invest $100 with 3-minute expiration time. At the beginning we had a flat price movement, which was replaced by a local bullish trend. After the sellers took over and the trend changed and the price fell. Buyers tried to take everything back into their own hands, but this ended in a corrective price increase. During one of the current corrective growths, we entered a trade from the support line to grow. Let's go back to the broker. So back to the indicators. Trend indicators have a certain pros as well as cons. The main plus is that they help determine the current trend, so you will be able to quickly identify a transforming trend and accordingly choose the optimal strategy. Find the best entry point and expiration time. The minus can also be attributed to the fact that not a single indicator will show a further change in the trend. They do not indicate when the trend will end. When using the moving average indicator, you can pay attention to the fact that during the period when the price is above the average, the market is dominated by bulls and a bullish trend is formed. And vice versa, if the price falls below the moving average line, this is a signal that the market is dominated by bears and the bearish trend has formed respectively. Thus, the crossing of the moving average line with the price can become a signal to make a deal. The price crossing from below upwards gives a signal to buy, downwards to sell. But do not memorize this is a rule. Do not forget about false signals and calculation of errors. If you want to learn more from me or to trade together, I have a private channel for my team. As a member of my team, you will get access to my personal training, mentorship, lots of trading sessions, individual feedback, and more educational materials. Do you want to become a member of my team? Then write me the phrase "I want some honey" in my personal Telegram to receive an invitation to the team. You can find the link to contact me in the description under the video or in the pinned comment. And again, a small stop here to take our second plus for today. And our next pair is going to be Swiss franc to Japanese yen. We are going to invest here from the support line for the price increase. So let's switch to the broker to open the deal with 3-minute expiration time on $100 for the price increase. And again, back to the trading view for the more detailed analysis. We see a general bullish trend for a long period of time after the overnight gap. New support levels were established which broke through several times with subsequent rollbacks. In general, it led to a decrease in volumes and the formation of a flat movement, on which I work. And also we can notice small adjustment and price fluctuation. So let's get back to the broker to keep an eye on market changes. And as you can see, we have small rollbacks, so we may need to have a cover for this one. So the next one we will talk with you about is volumes. For those who are just not familiar with the term volumes, I'll explain what volumes are in general. Volumes show the actual amount of an asset that is traded in a selected period of time. Each bar that we observe is finally formed after the close of the candle, painted in the color that was at the time of the close of the candle. Simply put, by the height of the column we can understand whether the interest of market participants in the asset is high or low. By volume indicators you can recognize large participants and predict the upcoming trend in time. This is one of the important criteria of understanding the strength of the levels on the chart. For example, when the indicator indicates a decrease in volumes, it means that most of traders have lost interest in trading. In this situation, there is a high probability of a flat or sideways movement in the market. During such periods, we see small volumes that leads to instability and unpredictability of the situation. When the indicator indicates an increase in volumes, it means that the particular asset has attracted a large number of traders. There is a significant potential for trend formation, in which case it makes sense to invest in the direction of the formed trend. Sorry, but we will need to make a small stop here. As you can see, the price rollback continues. Therefore, we will need to make a cover for 1 minute of expiration with amount of $100 and still for the price increase. And one more example for the volume indicator is when the volume indicator shows high saturation and reaching peak values, therefore a market reversal may soon occur and a reverse trend may form. Such highs and lows are very important indicators, understanding which a trader can always follow the trend. In conclusion, I can advise you to try and understand each of the indicators and select your golden strategy and the one that fits you best. This is the least of what I can tell you about indicators. If you're interested in this topic, write about it in the comments and I will make part 2 of this video. And our last deal goes to its closing in plus. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and drop a comment. Have a good one. Bye.